Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to animate these apples in this dish by using Mass FX toolbar. Start by opening the Mass FX toolbar menu. Then select all apples. Then click here and choose Set Selected as Dynamic. Then select the dish. Then click here again and choose Set Selected as Static. Go to Modifier List. And from Shape Type, choose Original. Then click here and enjoy the apples inside the dish in a professional way. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to support the channel. It really helps us bring you more content like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.